want you to take a look at this after picture. Now, of course, we did some other things with her, and this is not the video for that. If you want to take a look at that, you can look at it up here, but we did some other things. We did not use any topical drugs, just so you know. We didn't use any tretinoin, we didn't use any hydroquinone, we didn't use any invasive acid peels, just because of how frail her skin was. So if you look at the afterwards, we did some things with professional level vitamin C treatment for her skin, so you can see how well her skin did with that. So that is one of the things, is that if you want to increase the efficacy of vitamin C serums, one of the things that you can do is use something like that. Of course, you don't have to use this. If you find one, that's great, but this one was specifically formulated for my clients in mind, especially the ones that have hyperpigmentation.